So now the question is, how can we change this to find the area? So to find the area of a parallelogram, we just take the cross product of two vectors that we create using one of the vertices of the parallelogram. Now the only difference between the area of a parallelogram and the area of a triangle is they're both base times height, but one is divided by 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and multiply it by 1/2. So this is the only difference between a parallelogram area and a triangle area, because we can double a triangle and create a parallelogram. That's the biggest reason why. So we're going to find the area of each of the following. So we're given a triangle. So we're going to go over 1, up 4. Then we're going to go over 2, down 5. Then we're going to go left 6, down 4. So here's my triangle. We're going to find the area of this triangle using cross products. So it's going to be 1/2, and then we're going to have our two vectors here. And whatever it is, we're going to end up dividing it by 2. Now remember, you always take the positive because we're talking about area. And so if it's negative, really what happened is we switched the order that we multiplied the two vectors in. So it's positive. Anyway, so here we've got our thing here. I'm going to pick that to be my initial point. And we're going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one went right 7, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my first vector. My second vector is going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then down 1. So right here, this is going to be 7, 8, 8, negative 1. So then we've got negative 7 minus 64. And we're going to multiply all of that by 1/2. And I end up with, that'll be negative 71 divided by 2. So it'll be positive 71 divided by 2. We get 35.5 is the area of that triangle. Okay, let's do it again for this next one. So this one starts at 1, negative 1. Then over 2, down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over 7, down 1. That's not too bad. This one would be easier to find this would be just as easy to find the area the normal way. Okay, so I'm going to pick a point to be my initial point. I'm going to find the vectors from here. So the vector for this one is right 1, down 1, 2, 3. And then the other one is going to be right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then up or down 0. So my matrices here, so it's going to be 1/2 times my 1, negative 3 crossed with 6, 0. So I do my little fishy math, and I get 0 minus negative 18, and all of that times 1/2. So 1/2 times 18 is 9. So the area of that triangle is 9, okay? Any questions here? Perfect. All right, now you guys are going to do this one here. Then this one here. Notice this one you're choosing your own representation of a parallelogram. And on this one you're choosing your own representation of a triangle. You're going to find the area for both that you create. And once you're done with that, go ahead and write your recap and you are done.